Princess, what's that, my love?
It's a brand new fruit juice.
It's a dragon fruit shake?
Yeah.
Oh.
Shake the juice and then
It's yummy.
anak ko, kita
Oh, ay, kita that.
Yeah, kita brand new fruit, they're far away. Papa,
Far away?
Yeah, but Papa, buy it me with this.
Bought it for you? Oh.
I do. Pa, I want brother fruits. Brother fruits ako pa. Anak.
Oh, really? Sorry, did you say thank you to Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
Because he bought dragon fruit shake for you.
Done na.
How about Mama? Papa not buy for Mama?
There you have your motor.
So I go there. I go there alone and I bring the motor. I ride on the motor. Oh, I love that. Give me ha. Give me. Hati tayo. Pwede share. Later na. Later na.
Ubo.
Yeah, I have ubo.
Bawal.
Bawal?
Sabi siya.
Sabi ng
Ano siya?
who says? Who says that bawal?
Ikaw.
Who?
What's the name?
Huh?
Doctor.
The doctor. The doctor said if you have ubo, don't drink cold
Yes.
like that. Oh. Give me. I love that.
No?
Oh really?
Yeah, ubo.
You the low. Oh.
Ma, where's
You
the
sold
plate,
them.
Ma?
What?
Can carry
This one?
It's not plate. That's it.
It's a plastic. Now, plate? You want plate?
Yes, it's your phone.
Para hindi tapon? Okay. I love that. Oh no.
Oh, good.
It's cold. Oh no.
Yummy.
That is so cute. Are you happy? Are you happy in your school? It's so much fun. A lot of there.
Kids.
Yeah, a lot of kids there. And they are happy. Right? Right, Princess? And you play with them?
Try. It's yummy.
Yeah, later na lang. Give me, Mommy, here. Ubus, hanggang dito lang sa akin. Yeah, here, Mommy.
Ayaw.
Kawawa me.
Yup, ubo.
Always, umaro. Yun ay umaro.